That's right. For the past week, stocks in companies like GameStop and AMC have been surging. Now, today, joining us to break all this down is Brock Pierce. He's a stocks and investment specialist. Hi, Brock.
Hi. Thank you for having me.
Of course. What is generating this excitement right now?
Well, we're seeing something unprecedented, something we've never seen before, which was a company in a death spiral with hedge funds that basically specialize in killing companies and jobs by shorting stocks. Again, I need to put this really simply. Normally, people think of stock as something you buy, meaning you buy it, you hope the price goes up because the company performs well and you believe in its products and services. Shorting is the opposite of that. That's betting against a company. You borrow stock, hoping and sell it, and then hope to buy it back at a lower price later and making up the difference. And so there are hedge funds that specialize in shorting and trying to kill companies. And the little people got together with a strategy. They saw an opportunity to exploit the big institutional capital and said, if we gang up on this company that's being attacked, we can drive up the price, forcing that hedge fund to cover their position, driving the price up further. And they effectively bankrupted a multi-billion-dollar hedge fund. We've never seen anything like it before, but this has been driven by applications like Robinhood that is expanding the retail investor base in America. A lot of small people have gotten into buying stocks because of these mobile applications, which I think is a great thing. Empowering financial security in this country is a very good thing. And they're smarter than we often know. They came up with a strategy to beat the big Wall Street hedge funds, and it worked. It's just an absolutely wild thing to have witnessed.
Brock, I know there's winners and losers on Wall Street. The losers in this case, though, aren't these people also hold investments for, say, pension funds, things like that?
Well, I don't know in this particular case if it's this hedge fund, how much of it's from pension funds or not. Melvin Capital is the main one in question. I'd have to take a look at their LP base. But typically with these very aggressive hedge funds, especially those that are, call it merchants of death, the ones that want to kill companies and kill jobs, I hope the pension funds are not giving them capital.
What is causing all this? You mentioned these young investors. They're getting together, talking about ways to do this. Are they going on websites like Reddit? I've seen memes, even on social media.
Yeah, it's been organized in forums and memes. It really looks a lot like the Occupy Wall Street movement. It's like they're coming together very frustrated with things, saying, we're the 99%, we're David, let's take on Goliath, and they found a way to do it. It's pretty crazy, but the price has dropped by 50% today, and that's because the free markets have been censored. Robinhood and the other stock trading apps have frozen trading, which has caused the price to collapse, again, for the benefit of the financial institutions. And so it's really crazy stuff. It's definitely been driven by memes. And a lot of these people that have been buying these stocks also recognize that these prices are not fundamentally sound. And a lot of them have done it saying, we're okay losing our money. We just want to make a point that the little people, their voices matter. It's a phenomenon like nothing we've seen. But what we have seen is that a small group of retail investors can create a movement that can really create major problems for these traditional financial institutions. And we've seen that organizations like Robinhood, ultimately work for the sheriff of Nottingham.
All right, Brock Pierce, thank you so much for joining us. Great insight there.
Thank you for having me.